Georgetown is a city mostly known for its shopping, dining, and nightlife. The area has a fascinating history too. When you take a tour of Georgetown, you learn about the neighborhood's history and see 18th and 19th century homes and the prestigious Georgetown University and much more. So, my journey to Georgetown started just now. I went on a cab which took almost 30 minutes roughly from my place, which like from Penang city. So Georgetown is the capital of the Malaysian state of Penang. Georgetown is Malaysia's third most populous city and it is the nation's second largest conurbation in the country after Greater Kuala Lumpur. The historical core of Georgetown has been inscribed as an UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2008. Isn't it great? Yes, I arrived in Georgetown. Look at the beauty of that. So, this is a Chinese temple. It is really, really so good, and yeah, I'm here walking on the roads, and that is called some temple which I've forgotten the name. So, the architecture is really awesome. Here you will see multicultural one. Yeah, that is Yap Temple. Yeah, Yap Yap Temple. So you will see different types of cultures, like mostly Chinese, Malaysians, even Indian too. I have found some Indian, stores, Indian cultural things, and much more. So look at this. These are so beautiful plants here, water plants, and the constructions. You can see most of the Chinese temples here. So Georgetown was the first British settlement in Southeast Asia. Together with Singapore and Malacca, Georgetown formed part of the Strait settlements, which became a British crown colony in 1867. So that kind of history. It was subjected by Japan during World War II before being recaptured by the British at the war's end. So moving on to the other side, the city of Georgetown includes the Bayan Lepas Free Industrial Zone, a high-tech manufacturing hub regarded as the Silicon Valley of the East. The city also serves as the financial center of northern Malaysia and the nation's most vital medical tourism hub. So that's about some things. And moving on to geography, as I already told you, the jurisdiction of Georgetown covers an area of 305.77 kilometers and encompassing the entirety of Penang Island and 5 of the surrounding islets, including Jerry Jack Island. So moving on, the landscape and the cityscape is really so good. It is breathtaking near to the beach, and the streets are really, really awesome, like Instagrammable streets you will find. So as I told you, it is a World Heritage Site. Covers nearly 260 of the 2.6 kilometers square of the city center, roughly bounded by Transfer Road to the west and Pranging. And I have seen here beautiful Lamborghini on my way. Yeah. So the street names are quite interesting. Here we got Lebu Victoria, and there is like Little India, Mini India, something like that. I've forgotten. I didn't go through that street too though, so I'll go later. So the climate here is almost like climate of Malaysia. Here, as I told you, it is known for the food. Yeah, the food here is so popular, and is mainly for the food, dining, and all. Yeah, this is the Lamborghini which I'm talking about. Wow, isn't it? So it got the street art too. So there are like I already showed you that there are different places which are Instagrammable, quite good pictures you can take. I didn't dig in most of the streets and thing. Here I found this a kind of musical concert kind of building where I have find this A.R. Rahman pic on it. So there are education thing also I have seen. Literally this Georgetown is so breathtaking with the views and the construction, the architecture. It's so nice. The roads of entire Malaysia is really so cool. I really like the roads. They are neat, cool, and Here is a police station which is called Beach Street Police Station. Here you can see the buildings. Yeah, we got here. This is called Victoria Tower. It's a time tower. On the commemoration of something visit of maybe the queen, so it is Victoria Tower. So that is really so beautiful. Here is the commerce chamber of commerce of Malaysia, and I also seen this is Central College. And look at this beautiful park. Here you can see a bull, dragon, and many other, like you can see here. Let me show you clearly. So the first thing you can see here is a cow. Yeah, cow and bull, and then you have some kind of what is that, a dragon. Yeah, mini dragon and big dragon lights. This is so fascinating, guys. Really so good. The park is really so good. I didn't go inside though, so we went late at night, like after 7. Yeah, we reached there around 7, and the 7 means it will not be like that's the time of sunset. So by the time I reached there is 7:30. Yeah, this is the purpose of my visiting Georgetown. Basically, that is no, not this one. This is the food I'm talking about. So the purpose of my visiting Georgetown I'll be revealing soon. So this here is a food eatery kind of thing, like a street food. Everything you'll find here, but not on streets. There are good shops and like a food court you can call it. So we have taken Rozak, which is famous here. Rojak, which is also called Ruzak, is a salad dish of Javanese origin, but it is commonly found in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore. So this is popular because of its mixture of sliced fruit and vegetables served with the spicy kind of palm sugar dressing, and they also include some seafood in this. Like you can see pineapple, cucumber, and some other things. And yeah, that lady which now what she's serving is called quid, which is a sea animal. So yeah, this is okay, edible because it got this palm sugar dressing which that lady is preparing. Yeah, that is exactly the palm sugar dressing, which is yeah, brown in color. So they will be available in different type. Here we go. This is what I call this Rozak. So I tried this for the first time, and as I told you, it is like occasion, like salad. It is actually salad, but with the palm sugar dressing, and it also contains that seafood, as I told you, squid. Well, coming to the main purpose of my visiting Georgetown is not just to see around but to shop. Yes, grocery. This is the Indian stores. So here we get all the food items of India. So yeah, I can tell you all we can get, mostly the spices, the powders, the dishes, the sauces, whatnot, everything, the lentils, the rice too, which is Indian rice. You can find everything over here, but let me tell you, the price will be triple to the actual cost. For a simple example, I have brought many of these, and out of which I brought a matchbox, a single matchbox to do puja, to perform puja every day. So that matchbox, when I converted into Indian rupee, it cost me 5 rupees 50 paise. Yes, they got everything, but the cost, as I told you, is like double or triple, like mostly triple the cost. So we have taken most of the things, including the rice. The rice will be like different. The Malaysian rice is sticky, like if you might have watched the Korean movies, you will know that. So we have got our grocery, which includes many things, and that's end of our visit to Georgetown. So we had a good time, and I'll be looking forward to visit again and dig deeper.